Hello children, the question is, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So बच्चों यहाँ पे ध्यान देने वाली जो बात है, that is there are two terms, angle of elevation and the angle of depression. So we have to first understand what are these two terms. Angle of elevation हमेशा याद रखना है when we look up, ऊपर की तरफ जब देखते हैं. Angle of depression when we look down. So what does it mean mathematically? Suppose I have a tower and I am looking at it from the ground. मैं इसके ऊपर देख रही हूँ, at the top of the tower. So this is my eyesight. So this is known as line of sight. And when I draw this horizontal line, ये जो angle, this angle formed is known as, when I am looking up, is known as angle of elevation. Similarly, when I look down, that is, suppose अब मैं एक tall building के ऊपर बैठी हूँ and on the ground there is a football. So when I look at this football, my eyesight will be like this. So this is the line of sight, and if I draw horizontal here, this is the angle of depression. When I am looking down, angle of depression is formed. So this concept we have to apply here. So let us now read line by line and frame the diagram. So it says from the top of a 7-meter high building. तो मैं अपनी building, I draw my building here. My building is AB and its height is 7 meter. So it says कि मैं अपनी बिल्डिंग के टॉप से एक दूसरे टावर को देख रही हूँ और एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इज फॉर्म. तो ऑब्वियसली मैं अपनी बिल्डिंग से टावर को ऊपर देख रही हूँ. सो द टावर इज बिगर देन माई बिल्डिंग और टॉलर देन माई बिल्डिंग. सो आई draw the tower like this and name it CD. I am looking at the top of the tower from here. So this is my line of sight, and if I connect this point and name it as E, this is my angle of elevation, which is 60 degree. Okay, I am looking from point A, that is the top of the building, to the top of the tower, and I formed an angle of elevation which is 60 degree. The second part says the angle of depression of the foot of the tower. Foot of the tower is niche, okay, and I will be looking down. So from here I look down at the foot of the tower. So this angle formed is the angle of depression. So if look at this figure and try to understand. So this angle formed is given as angle of depression, which is 30 degree. I connect the bottom of both the tower and the building. This is my question. Now from this figure, some conclusions we can make. What conclusions do we make? That AB is equal to ED. So I'll write here 7 meter. This part is unknown. We can name it as X meter. This part is also not known to us. So we can write this as Y meter. As I can see, AE is equal to BD. So the length of A is also taken as Y meter. Now look here, the line AE and BD are parallel, and this is the transversal. So this angle will be equal to this angle, that is, this is 30 degree. So this angle will also be 30 degree. Now we start solving using our trigonometry concepts. Therefore, let us take the first triangle, that is in triangle AEC. In triangle AEC, as we know, it's a right triangle. So tan 60, what we can write is tan 60 is equal to perpendicular, that is C, by base. So C is the perpendicular by base AE. We know tan 60 is equal to root 3. So root 3 is equal to X by y, which can, after cross multiplication, we can write down root 3 into y is equal to x, and we name it as equation 1. Now we'll take the triangle APT. So let us write in triangle, and it's right angle at B, in triangle APD. In triangle APT, what we can write? Tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by base, or we can write, let us first write down as per the figure, is equal to AB by CD, which is the base. Further we can write down tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So this is equal to AB is 7 by 1. If we do a cross multiplication, we get y is equal to 7 root 3, and we name it as equation 2. So children, what do I do now? I place the value of y, which I got in equation 2, I'll place this value in equation 1. So as you can see, root 3, and my value of y was 7 root 3 is equal to x. Root 3 into root 3 will become 3. So we get 7 into 3 is equal to x. That is, therefore, x is equal to 21, or we can say x is equal to 21 meter. But we are supposed to find the height of the tower. And what is the height of the tower? Height of the tower is CD. Height of the tower is CD, which is 7 plus x. So we can write down, which is equal to 7 plus 21, and that is 28 meter. This is the answer or the solution of today's question. Thank you.